So after the first trip around the arena, everything seems pretty good. The ground seems pretty hard in spots, so I'm going to run the rippers the rest of the way down and rip some of this. It won't do a very good job leveling at that point if you're just ripping, especially as hard as this arena is for right now. Once we get it worked up, then we can go back over and start leveling some of it and pulverizing the clods with the back roller. I'll go around the arena again until I get it completely done, and then we'll stop back and visit more about some more adjustments. Carry less dirt and the back carry a little more. That helps in your leveling process. The back roller kind of acts as a wheel in the back. You can see the springs are compressed here. That is how it's supposed to be adjusted. Do not adjust these. They're set from where they need to be. When it's new, we don't adjust the tines going in the dirt either. Really, the only thing you adjust is the cylinder in the back or your ratchet jack to adjust this down, and your ripper shanks up and down wherever you want them to be. Now, I have ripped it as deep as it will go across this arena because it's pretty hard. I pull them up. I always keep the rippers down a couple inches. Just my preference. Seems to make a better arena bed. But we'll now go over it and all the clods that it's leaving behind. The roller will help break all those up. The more times you go over it after it's hard like this, the better it will break it up. If you work it every day, it's pretty much a one-pass machine. So again, as we were just talking, the adjustment for this tractor is on one side, and this side will pull up a little bit. If you have two people, the easiest thing to do is to start the tractor, use your 3-point up and down until this becomes easy to turn. Same way with your top link. The adjustments that way makes it a lot simpler than trying to get a pipe wrench and fight it. And it's easier just to have two people, or you can watch, and when this becomes loose, as it is now, we can just crank that up a little bit until we get it level. Then we'll do another run, and if the ridges are gone, then problem solved. Anytime you turn at the very ends of the arena, there will always throw a little ridge, unless you pick the 3-point up and feather it out a little bit. A lot of that is just getting used to your tractor and your ground hog together. Think about the ground a little bit. As it gets drier dirt, it will kind of pile up in front of the roller here. That's not uncommon. Again, don't adjust anything on the roller. It really just needs more moisture in the ground. It will also pile up back here as well. Again, we want it to carry a little bit in the back, more the back blade. But as it gets drier and drier, things will start acting different, so adjustments may need to be made. Again, just the half a turn on the 3-point on the top link to bring the back up or down or whatever.